my job. I am grateful.
Okay. So you don't like uh, to sleep at night because your job is
Mm, yes,
familiar. Like
yeah.
your
I
job is
sleep.
nighttime. Right?
I have to stay up all night long. I have to stay up all night long, but I sleep an hour, sometimes an hour and a half here at work. Because I have a partner, and when I am too sleepy, uh, I tell him, "Hey, I'm gonna sleep for a while. Be careful." And then he is sleepy, and we change position. Then
Okay.
he sleeps for a while, and I am alert. You know.
Okay. Okay.
But
So as you said, you are a security guard, and did you find thief, any thief there that they will like um, doing something wrong in that home or some kind of disturbing person?
yeah,
Do you know thief?
do you know what?
Yeah, do you know thief?
I don't understand.
Mm, you don't know like police thief.
Mm, I don't get it. Sorry. Okay.
I'll tell you just a minute.
I don't get it.
Yeah, can you please check your Skype?
Okay, yeah. Yes, we have to be alert. Thieves. Yeah,
Yeah.
thieves. We have to be alert. We have a dog, and when
So
somebody
also
is at the door,
when somebody come and your dog shouting, right?
huh?
If thief come, then your dog's shouting and you get alert. Am I right?
Yes. When when the dog barks, we we go to the door, or we go to the parking lot and are vigilant that no thieves are around. No thieves
Mm.
are around.
So which city you live? The country name I forgot. Which country you live in?
Which country?
Yeah, your country name. Your country name. I forgot.
The country, South America.
Yeah, South America.
Yeah, South America. Peru, Ecuador, Colombia. I am in Colombia.
Yeah, Colombia. I'm right, right. Do you know where I am?
You are in. You are in. I forgot. But let me try to remember.
Yeah, you can try.
You are in Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah, you're
Am I
right.
right?
You're right. But if we talk every day or like uh, regularly, then we can understand and we can know each other, right?
Yes, my friend. Yes, yes.
Do you know what I am doing?
Yeah, you are working as a freelancer. I think so.
Yeah, yeah, you remember. Thanks.
What?
Yeah, I mean you remember that that my uh, like profession, right?
Developer. You are a website developer. Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. So what is the time in Colombia now? How long you stay for night
It's
train?
10,
10
it's 10,
10 p.m.
10,
10
yes,
15.
10 p.m., 10:16, 10:16 p.m.
Wow, but here it's 9:16 a.m. So uh, it's about 11-hour difference in the time, right? Yeah, it's a 11-hour difference between your time and my time.
So did you did you have breakfast already?
No, I have to do it, but I just to start my work, my freelancer work, and after I do something, then I'll go to my breakfast. My mom, my mother cooking, and if she call me, then we'll do our breakfast.
Yes.
Your caps looks good. Your cap, head cap.
My cap looks what?
Yeah, your cap looks good, like nice. Yeah,
My cap?
yeah, your cap. Yeah.
Ah,
Okay, so do you have any specific hobby like sports or reading books? Mm, can you please tell me about your hobby?
my hobby is uh, learning English.
Yeah, learning only learning English.
If I am not if I am not speaking English, I am watching a movie or I am doing something always in English.
Wow, great.
That's my hobby. That's
Yeah,
my
but,
hobby.
but uh, I learned mostly from like a tutorial. Do you know if I just search something about my career or something like about web development, programming, then most content are coming from like in English. Those content are English, so that way I learned English
I
and
understand.
yeah.
So you work and learn at the same time because
Yeah,
you are studying
yeah,
and you have
like you,
contracts.
you can say learning and earning. Those are coming, right? If I learned, then
Learning,
I can also earn.
learning and making money, my friend.
Yeah, yeah, you are right, friend.
Okay.
Yeah, learning and doing freelancer work and earning some profit from freelancer. That's my career. So if I invite you in Bangladesh, will you come here?
Uh, yeah, but I don't have money.
Yeah,
I am
if
broke.
I give you some money, will you come?
Uh, why not?
Yeah, you know,
Yes.
in Bangladesh there are a lot of places that you can visit. For example, Cox's Bazar, uh, like Sundarban. There are a lot of places that you can enjoy, and you can do your uh, best time here to spend with your family, right? So,
Okay.
my friend, I think we can talk later. Like we can talk tomorrow. If you have time, you can ping me because now I think I have just limited time. I have to do some work. Then after doing some work, then I'll do my breakfast. Then I'll go out. Okay.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, my friend.
Yeah. Nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Oh, I have to have a nice night.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. Nice night.
I
Bye bye.
have a night. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.